Welcome back. Okay, now we are on 11, question 11, the last two part F and G. Okay, they said that a turtle, what's that? Suddenly something, a new friend comes. Okay, a turtle walks at the edge of the path. Okay, G meters south of A, so G meters south of A somewhere here, and then G is here. So at t equals 0, stay how far south the turtle is from A. So substitute 0, 0, or 18 meters. It is a guidance. Okay. At first, so where's the turtle? The turtle is 18 meter from A. Okay, and then it will go down, down, down. It will go down. Okay, but it's a turtle, so too slow way. So this upon D will go down faster than it. So it said that use an expression for GT and DT. I remember copy from part E to write down an expression for W in terms of T. What is W? Distance between the turtle and the ponds D. So just GT minus DT absolute. Okay, absolute value. So G1, you just make sure you write the absolute sign. Okay, because they might. So 0.05 T square. And then plus 1.1 T plus 18, and then minus copy correctly, right? Really copy it. Okay, turn the sine pi T over 8 and then over sine 2.37 minus pi T over 8 absolute. That's it. Okay, so part 2. Okay, hence I found when and where on the path the water first reaches the turtle. First, it means that this becomes 0. Okay, so do you think you can solve it algebraically? No, so it's a graphing games. Okay, so you need to use your calculator to graph y equals gt and then also y equals dt to see where two dates overlapped at first, starting from t equals 0. Okay, calculate the time. Try to graph it. Take some time. 4 marks, you see. Okay, just check the results. Okay, this is my results. Okay, so they will first meet at 3.34 line. Okay, the time is here, and then the position is 22.244. Okay, south of the pond A. So you can say clearly the time is when. Okay, when t equals 3.35 second, where 22.2 or 22.22. Okay, 24. Okay, 22.24 meters south of A. Okay, say clearly. Make sure you know the meaning of G and D. All are reference from point A, south of A. I think this south of A might have some marks too, not just the position 22.24 meter. Okay, you got it? Make sure use your calculator. Always have mark, especially in paper 2. Okay, we finished 11th, so it's time to proceed to question 12. See you guys.